Hello friends, Ashish Kyal here and I'm going to talk about trade setup using failed breakout technique. क्या होता है failed breakout? ऐसा हुआ है आपके साथ बहुत बार that you are trading and you look at a breakout, you thought that it's a good breakout and then it reversed again. That is known as a failed breakout. Breakout can happen on upside, breakout can happen on downside. Usually the downside breakout, we call it as a breakdown. So breakout can be on either of the direction, but failed breakout pattern is very useful pattern if you want to trade it correctly and if you know how to trade that pattern. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to trade a failed breakout pattern using a simple concept. And साथ में will combine with Bollinger Bands and price action strategy. ये सारी चीज है. These kind of videos, learning videos, if you are liking it, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Ensure you are putting your comments down there. क्या देखना चाहते हैं आप ऐसे वीडियोस में, वो सारी चीजें लिखिए. Today I'm going to apply this technique on cryptocurrency which is Bitcoin and going to teach you कि ये क्या होता है, कैसे ट्रेड करते हैं, कैसे फील्ड ब्रेकआउट को देखते हैं. ये सारी चीजें मैं आपको बहुत ही सिंपल वे से बताऊंगा. Okay, so let me quickly share across my screen and show it across to you. So if you are looking at this screen, this chart, यहाँ पर this is a Delta Exchange का platform which I am using and it's a wonderful platform where I can see the chart, the bid ask and all of those things. Now first of all, पहले तो मैं ये bands को हटा देता हूँ and I'm going to remove the bands and I'm going to simply show you this specific chart. If you are looking at this screen and this chart right now, you can clearly see very clearly that there has been a movement, okay, from the upside here. This is a daily time frame chart of Bitcoin. From this level, there has been a movement on the downside. Now, what I mean by a trap, आपको समझना होगा यहाँ पर trap मतलब क्या होता है कि कौन ट्रैप हो रहा है. सो इफ यू लुक एट दिस लो वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लो यहां पर एंड प्राइसेस ब्रोक बिलो द लो एट दिस पॉइंट बट डिड नॉट क्लोज बिलो द लो. मैं फिर रिपीट कर रहा हूं. प्राइसेस आफ्टर कमिंग हियर showed a bounce back on the upside, then it went down and broke below the low but did not close below it. Can you see that? So this kind of pattern formation, we call it like a, this is known as a trap. Okay, now I am asking you, who do you think is trapped in this kind of a scenario, in this pattern formation of a failed, इसे failed breakout भी कहते हैं, failed breakout, because it failed and reversed back on the upside. This is known as a failed breakout. एंड यहां पर हम देख सकते हैं कि कोई तो ट्रैप हो गया. नाउ एग्जैक्टली इट इज द बेयर्स और द सेलर्स हु गॉट ट्रैप्ड हियर सिंस प्राइसेस रिवर्स्ड अप. बट खाली रिवर्स अप होने से वो पैनिक नहीं करेंगे. दे विल पैनिक वंस वी सी अ हायर हाई हायर लो फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस लेवल. Then they will start panicking, which means the momentum on the upside because of a failed breakout is going to be very strong, very fast, and because of short covering, because of fresh long buildup, and that will result into momentum. Now, on the daily time frame, ideally we should see a breakout above this level to confirm that. But that can be too far away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from here on 1 hour time frame chart. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame chart, if I'm looking at this overall movement as of now, I can see the failed breakdown or a breakout, a move that started on the upside. तो जो एंट्री आइडियली थी, if you look at it, this was a classic inverted head and shoulder pattern also. Can you see that? This is the head, this is the shoulder, this is the shoulder, a super breakout on the upside, retest of the neckline, and it's now trying to reverse up. Amazing pattern. Clear है? यहां पर अभी मेरे टारगेट कैसे मिलेगा? So we have a pattern, failed breakout plus a reversal pattern which is a bottoming head and shoulder pattern. From here, if I look at this and measure this movement on the upside, so for example, I can simply measure head until this point, the neckline, and project it on the upside. So I can do that using a tool here. यहाँ पे सारी चीजें हैं on the platform itself. So I projected it on the upside. यहाँ से जाके मैंने इसे ऊपर डाल दिया. So my target for Bitcoin over short term comes to around 86,400. ठीक है, that's the target that we are getting over here. Very clearly you can see कौन सा लेवल मिल रहा है हमें. 86,400 is the level that we are getting on the Bitcoin. So I'll just write down over here 86,400 is the target. That's one. Secondly, we have a failed breakout. तो मतलब मोमेंटम बहुत जबरदस्त जनरेट हुआ. Now I want to, if I want to enter, I will have to enter above the high of this. The high of this is 85,425. ठीक है. High of this candle is 85,510. High of this candle is 85,467. So 85,550 के ऊपर I get a classic buying opportunity. 85,550. That's my level basis of the breakout. I'm assuming once this is taken out, we'll get a very, very strong positive movement for the target of 86,400. And then यहां पर मेरा जो KST इंडिकेटर है थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है, which means there is some kind of a short term pressure, which is good. So let it come down and reverse back on the upside. I'll get a classic confirmation from an indicator also once something like this happens. So फिलहाल के लिए I think we might have a very good trade setup by simply looking at a failed breakout which happened here, identifying a reversal pattern which is here, breakout of the pattern and the retest of the neckline which happened here, and now a reversal on the upside. Stop loss, you can place a stop loss of the recent low wherever it is forming or also of the neckline. But neckline पे stop loss डालने से risk reward fit नहीं होगा. That will become a concern. So stop loss can be near around this area once we see a reversal on the upside. To make use of that, you can also be using not necessarily a breakout. You can use option strategy जहाँ risk reward better fit हो पाए वैसा strategy. So my strategy is going to be buying above these 85,550 levels, putting a stop loss of the recent low once I see a reversal happening from there, and then at 86,400 partial profit book करना है, and उसके बाद trail करना है to keep riding the trend. That's the how you have to look at it. And remember, this is no short thing, no 100% thing. You have to maintain a stop loss, and this is a science of probability. There is a high probability this might happen. If something different happens, you need to know where to get out, how to get out. So it's very crucial that you understand that, and basis of that you trade those things. साथ में you can also use an ATR or those kind of methods that can help you to understand signals, maybe super trend. बहुत सारी चीजें को हम क्लब कर सकते हैं for stop loss, for multiple things we can do that. So this is how you can use this platform, and the best part is whatever methods we apply on stocks or indices or Nifty, Bank Nifty, same methods can be applied even on cryptocurrency. And this is a classic example that I am showing it to you over here. Can you see that? Isn't that amazing? So इस तरीके से इसे आप देख सकते हो. You can derive trades out of this. You can see how to go about it. And if you want to test this platform, you have a link in the bio below in the description. You can check that and check how it continues, how it happens here. So ये आप खुद भी कर सकते हो. So it's very simple. It's very easy, and you can start working on these. I've been trading crypto for some time, and it works for me. These simple aspects of methods यहाँ पर. And if you are interested, I can make more such educational learning videos for you all. बट आपको लिखना होगा, कमेंट में ट्वीट करना होगा, शेयर करना होगा, एंड सब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना होगा. देन आई नो दैट यू आर लाइकिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ वीडियोस. एंड इफ यू वांट टू टेस्ट द प्लेटफॉर्म, द लिंक इज राइट डाउन देयर. चेक करो, खुद से देखो, इवेल्युएट करो, एंड सी द चार्ट्स, अप्लाई दोज मेथड्स दैट यू अप्लाई ऑन एनी अदर थिंग, एंड सी इफ इट वर्क्स फॉर यू. ओके, तो चलिए आज का ये शॉर्ट वीडियो यहीं पे एंड करते हैं. इफ यू लाइकिंग इट, लेट मी नो, एंड व्हाट एल्स यू वांट टू सी, डू पुट इट इन योर कमेंट्स. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful time. Become a wonderful trader.